Question number 106. It also relates to lease accounting. Uh, let's see what is the ask of this question. It says, what is the total charge to profit and loss as at related to lease as at 31st March 18. So on this date, how much we will charge to the P&L? All right. So let's gather further information from the question. Payworth company entered into a contract to acquire the right to use an item of plant for a period of 3 years. So it's a 3 years lease. Um, all right. From the commencement date is 1st April 17. The first year in is on the 31st March 18, and at this date we need to tell how much we will charge to PNL. So it's basically 1 year. So yeah, so it's a 3 year lease. All right, the present value of the future lease payments. All right, present value of future lease payments is given. It is 15462 15462 15462 which is also the initial carrying amount of the right of use asset. All right, so this is the initial carrying amount also, and at this date the carrying amount is this only. If we can say the carrying amount, it is the same as the present value of future lease payments. Payworth company will also make the three rental payments of 6 million per annum. Okay, three rental payments per annum will be 6,000, 600, 6 million. So into 318 million they will pay, which are due to be paid in arrears. In arrears mean not the on the last day of each year. So 31st March every year they will pay. The useful life of the plant is deemed to be 5 years. Okay, it's a 3 years lease, but the useful life is 5 years useful life. Uh, There's no option to buy the asset at the end of this. All right, then the interest rate is 8%. All right, so how much we charge to profit and loss? So in profit and loss we charge interest expense and we charge depreciation expense also. So how do we calculate the interest expense? We will take the present value multiplied by the tax rate. So first year interest expense will be this much, and then depreciation expense. So uh, to calculate the depreciation expense, we will take the carrying amount at the beginning of the year, and then we will divide it by the lease period because it is lesser than the useful life of 5 years. So we'll take divide by 3. So will they take this present value divided by the lease period. So the depreciation will be 5.154 million and interest is 1236. So the total charge uh, on this will be 6390 960. So this will be our answer. Although it should be option D because it is closer to this, just off by 60. So I don't see any option of this, but this should be the answer 6390960. So we'll take 4 in this case.